Polka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 21st question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 20 reads, what small solution to the given equation? The easiest thing here is to plug it into Desmos. I'm going to show you the by hand solution first. Make sure you stick around to see the Desmos solution at the end of this video. First, to get rid of a square root, what you always got to do is you got to square. When it's asking you for the solution, it's the x here. So when you square both sides, what you get is x minus 2 quantity squared to the left. But keep in mind that that is not x squared minus 4, and it's not x squared plus 4. It is x minus 2 times x minus 2. That's the same as x minus 2 quantity squared. Keep in mind squaring both sides cancels the root, and then you get equals 3x plus 34. Foiling, you get x squared. I'm going to write it out for you so that you could follow along real well. And we've got 3x plus 34. We're going to combine like terms in the middle over here. That's plus 4. We're going to move the 3x. Now we're going to move the 34. That's a 3. Now we need two things that are going to multiply to give us negative 30 and add to give us a negative 7. So whenever you're trying to figure that out, what I recommend you do is start in the middle. The square root of 30 is between 5 and 6. So start with that. 5 times negative 6. I want the bigger value to be negative because my middle value, 7, is negative. And so when you add those up, you get negative 1, not negative 7. So now we're going to work down from 5. Does 4 go in? No, it doesn't. Does 3 go in? Yes. 3 goes in. How many times? 10 times. So 3, negative 10, that multiplies to give us negative 30, adds to give us negative 7. So now we've got x plus 3 times x minus 10 equals 0. And then if you set them equal to 0 individually, x plus 3 equals 0, x minus 10 equals 0. Minus 3 plus 10 plus 10. This cancels. You get x equals negative 3. Get x equals 10. So negative 3 is going to be your answer. Just pop it in over there. This should really be like math SAT should take a lesson from grammar SAT. It should not be the smallest solutions because smallest is superlative. It's comparing more than two things. It should be what is the smaller solution because we're only comparing two things here. So, how to use it in Desmos. Literally all you have to do is plug it into Desmos. Let's see. If I plug it into Desmos, you get one line. Now, since it said there's two solutions, what you got to know for Desmos is the x-intercept is the solution. Since there's two solutions, we could expect that for a quadratic, but since it said what's a small solution, expect more than one, you want to zoom out until you see both solutions. There they are. And if you zoomed out enough to make it look like a parabola, be zooming for a while. This crazy. Okay. So it looks like it disappeared after this. All right, let's zoom back in. So you can see your two solutions here. You see one goes through 10, but the lesser one, just keep zooming in until you see the actual number so you're sure. There it is. It's negative 3. So that's how you do it with Desmos. Mark it as your answer. Move on. Negative 3. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who who's intimidated by these square roots. Don't be intimidated. This is just math. You've done this stuff in like algebra 2 or whatever. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything up here. And check out this other square root problem up here. And to see the short videos, go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. On the playlist, find your tested module number. This is Test 3 Module 1. And then the shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. Have a great day.